Hello everyone, welcome to Shada Cook. Today we are going to make papad paratha. It's very tasty and very easy to make. So directly let's go through the ingredients. For this we require roasted papad, and here we have took 3 roasted papad and we have crushed them. Half cup of finely chopped onion, some coriander leaves, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, some green chili finely chopped, chapati dough. We have a video on how to make this dough on our channel Shada Cook, and the video is a special onion paratha. So you can check over there. I will also link it down below in the description box. So let's start the preparation. First we will start with the stuffing. For that we are taking papad, add in onion, coriander leaves, red chili powder, salt, green chilies, cumin powder and chaat masala. Now mix everything well. So our stuffing is ready. So let's start preparing the parathas. Taking dough, forming into a dumpling, dust it with dried flour. Start rolling it like a normal chapati. Next apply some ghee. Then fill in the stuffing. And cover it. Remove the excess dough. And we also have another paratha on our channel, that is special onion paratha. Check that. Now again dust it with some dry flour. Now we're going to gently press it with hands, with the fingers. Again dusting with some dry flour. And start rolling it just like a normal chapati. But be gentle, we don't want it to tear. And make sure it's not too thin. Next, heat your tawa. Place paratha. So it is cooked from other side, so we're going to flip it over. And you can see it has got a nice golden brown color. Next, apply ghee. You can also apply butter or oil, whatever you prefer. Covering all over. Then again flip it over. Applying ghee on the other side. And you can see it has got a nice golden brown color. So our paratha is ready. So our papad paratha is ready. And you can see the stuffing over here. And it is really nice and crunchy. Very simple to make and really tasty. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.